Welcome to Droid Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable the screen recorder on the Motorola phone. First, slide down the quick settings menu, then slide it down again to expand it fully. Look for the screen recorder icon. If you don't see it, like in my case, just tap the pencil icon to edit the tiles. Scroll down, find screen recorder, then hold and drag it into the active icon section. Now go back and you will see that screen recorder has been added to the menu. Tap on it and select your preference, then click record and you will see the recording begin automatically. We also have a few options you can set up. You can stop or resume the recording using the on-screen button. You can enable the front camera and by tapping the speaker icon, you can choose the audio source. You can also draw on the screen and pick a color for the drawing tool. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.